Hello, wonderful humans of Deniliquin and surrounds. This one is for you. If you work in a cafe, a shop, a pub, a motel, anywhere, a customer walks through your door, this one is for you. Deniliquin and surrounds is special, and you are the number one reason why. My name is Despina Karatius, founder of the Institute of Excellence, and on Tuesday the 16th of June from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Deni RSL, we're bringing together the frontline legends of this region for a free workshop on delivering excellent customer service experiences. We're talking about how to make every visitor feel like they picked the right place to stop, how to turn a hello into a highlight of someone's trip, and how to make Deniliquin and surrounds the kind of places people can't stop talking about and want to return to. It's free, it's got afternoon tea, and it is going to be a brilliant afternoon together. Register via the link below, and I cannot wait to visit myself and see you there.